Whatever happens in your life actually has a particular reason. Maybe you will not get to know right now, because right now the bad things are happening in your life. But believe me, this time will pass away. You will realize that that time happened for me for a good. And many of the times this only happens with us. एंड टिल द पॉइंट ऑफ दैट टाइम हम उस समय को जो है कोस रहे होते हैं, हम सोच रहे होते हैं यार ऐसा हुआ ही क्यों, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था। उस टाइम में मुझे बहुत ज़रूरत थी उस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन की या उस पर्टिकुलर चीज़ की जो भी आपने खोया, ये हमें लग रहा होता है। बट यू डू नॉट नो वट एवर इज हैपनिंग फॉर यू in your life actually has a particular reason, and whatever is happening, there is a purpose of God. He will give you or he will get you something better in your life. That is the mindset of yours that needs to be. If you have this kind of mindset, if you have this type of thought process, believe me, you will win in your life. And definitely, and you will not only win, this is not the question. The thing is that you will keep winning in your life, because now you have the mindset of winners, and that is what you need to understand. Okay, let me give you some more examples of my particular life. There was a phase in my life when I wanted a person a lot, means a lot, and after 3 or 4 months that person shifted to somewhere else. That person was like my life to me. I was not going anywhere to leave that person, and I was just thinking, that person should be just with me every time in my life. And do you know one more thing, that is more funny thing is that just because of that person I was in so much comfort zone, and I was not able to get out of that comfort zone, and it was resulting me to not to do anything in my life, because that person was not doing anything in his life. So obviously one saying is that your company should be wise, your company should be very good. If your company does something, then most of the probability is there that you will also start doing something for you. But it was not in my case. That person was not doing, so I also came in the comfort zone. Just because of that I was also not doing. So that time that person went from my life. 2 or 3 days I was so much depressed, devastated in my life. I was thinking, what will happen now, whom will I go to now, who will understand me now, and whom I will be able to narrate the things which happens with me, whom I will be able to share the sorrows which I have inside of me. These kind of questions were running in my mind. But after 4 to 5 days, as time passed, I got to know one person named Nihal. That person came into my life, and that person gave me a new direction, because that person always wanted to do something, become something in his life. So I was thinking, why not to become something, why not to become someone, so that I can deserve respect more, I can deserve more value in my life. Why not to do something like that? So this question came into my life as well as in my mind. So that time this question came into my life and in my mind, so now I started to keep seeking the things which can make me valuable. So from that time to this time, this is the phase of my transformation, real transformation. So from that time I got transformed completely, and the confidence which you are able to see in my eyes, as well as in my talks, speech, just because of that thing, just because of that person, just because of that incident that happened in my life. So my thing is that my concern only to you is that, please, whatever happens in your life, do not think that this is really very bad. No, it's not like that. It means that God has kept something in that incident God wants you to do something new in your life. God has a different plan for you. God has a different purpose for you that you need to understand. That just you need to understand your life actually gets changed from that particular day. Thank you so much everybody to listen to me till now. And as you know, my name is Amit Kumar, and please keep liking and keep sharing my videos to others also, so that they can also get to know some of the new things in their lives, so that they can also get value in their lives, because a lot of the people are seeking this kind of things, because a lot of the people don't have guidance in their lives. A lot of the people are just seeking for valuable content, and if we can share these kind of things, so I personally and individually think that somebody can have a better place, somebody can have a better thinking, somebody can have a better mindset, somebody actually can become something from this type of content. Thank you so much everybody to listen to me till now. Have a very good day. I hope you all are fine at your home. Please stay at your home and stay safe.